Greetings from Proctored Exams Nerd, your go-to resource for acing ProctorU examinations. In this video, we'll delve deeply into the art of getting around proctoring exams and earning that coveted A+. If you're a student looking to ace your online proctored exam without breaking a sweat, you're in the perfect spot. How to get past ProctorU. ProctorU is the go-to proctoring service for a wide range of tests, from academic exams to entrance assessments, like the HEI A2, but fear not, with our insider knowledge, ProctorU can be easily gotten around, even with the camera on and a lockdown browser. Where is the ProctorU used? Advice: you'll be passing your ProctorU exam with ease like a pro. Before we go into the details of how to cheat on Proctor, let's first dispel the myths surrounding it. From setting up your exam to finishing the authentication process, we'll walk you through each step of the procedure. But before we do that, let's get to the juicy details of how to cheat on Proctor. What is ProctorU and how does it operate? We're talking about the infallible, undetectable way, not the antiquated techniques like taking notes or sneaking a peek at your phone. The method of the technical expert. You heard correctly. Using the technical expert method, cheating on ProctorU is not only possible, but also completely safe and secure. Our specially designed software guarantees that you breeze through without encountering any red flags. Don't believe us? We have video evidence of ProctorU being bypassed in real time. Watch the magic happen as we sneak through the system undetected. Now that you know this, you may be wondering how to take advantage of this game-changing tactic. Proctored Exams Nerd is the best place to get exam-taking services and has the technical know-how to get around any proctored exam. We have you covered, whether it comes to various methods of cheating on ProctorU or any other proctored software. Methods for obtaining Test Bunny services for straight-line final test cheating. If proctored exams or any other kind of exam stress you out quickly as a college student, you can use Proctored Exams Nerd services. Proctored Exams Nerd is an online tutoring and cheating service where students in the United States pay Proctored Exams Nerd to use their online expertise to complete their college-level exams, homework assignments, essays, research papers, discussion posts, and basically anything you need in college subjects, including math, science. Is it possible to use a webcam for commercial purposes during a proctored exam to cheat? Get them to look at grades of A or B in English, engineering, computer programming, humanities, social sciences, and so forth. If you've ever considered hiring for proctored exams, hiring for college exam takers, and you don't plan on failing out of college like I did, get in touch with Proctored Exams Nerd. It will be worthwhile to get services in any online proctored exam. You can even check out their exam score gallery if you want proof of how they can help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about whether it is safe to cheat on the ProctorU exam or to finish your entire course, you may contact Proctored Exams Nerd via WhatsApp 254-715-080-504.